Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher Pawan. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can operate your computer with AI, which called Microsoft latest AI. So I'm going to launch Microsoft Copilot application here. If you want to use the Copilot on your computer, you need to have this version of Microsoft Copilot. You can update your PC to the latest Windows 11 version to get access to this version. After launching of this application, you need to read to the setting of this Microsoft Copilot application. When it comes to here, you can see we are on the settings of this Microsoft Copilot application. So we need to read the bottom of this application to turn off the hey Copilot when starting the conversation. So if you want to work smoothly with this Microsoft Copilot application, you need to turn off this option and then press back button. So let's see how we can operate any application with Microsoft Copilot. So let's see how we can operate Microsoft Excel with Copilot. Just click on the Microsoft Excel, then you need to select the Excel file that you want to know about. So click here. Now here we have Microsoft Copilot and here we have our Excel. So let's try to do and operate.
Sounds like a plan. What would you like to do in Excel?
Okay, I want to create a pivot table on this table. So tell me how I can create a pivot table here.
All right, first select any cell in your table. Then go to the Insert tab at the top. After that, click on Pivot Table. A dialog box will appear. Make sure your table range is correct and choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Once you're ready, click OK. Now you can start building your pivot table.
Yeah, I have succeeded on creating the pivot table. So tell me how to choose these options one by one.
Okay, let's build your pivot table. First, drag the field you want to analyze to the values area. Then, to categorize the data, drag another field to the rows area. If you want to break down data further, add fields to the columns or filters areas. This setup lets you summarize and explore your data flexibly.
Okay guys, now here you can see how we can use this Microsoft Copilot newest and latest version to work with your Excel more accurately. So let's see how we can use this Microsoft Copilot with another application like QuickBooks software to get help with accounting. Just click on the stop button here, then go to home again. I'm going to launch my QuickBooks software.
Okay, I see you're on the homepage of QuickBooks Enterprise. What's the next step you'd like help with?
So tell me the shortcut to create a check.
This is QuickBooks Enterprise, and to create a check, you can usually use the shortcut Ctrl+W. It opens the Write Checks window. Give it a try.
Yeah, now I'm on the Write Checks window. So tell me how to choose accounts and enter values here.
Alright, in the Write Checks window, you'll see fields like Bank Account to select the account you're using. Then you can fill in the Pay to the Order of field with the payee's name, enter the check amount in the dollars box, and specify the account and amount in the Expenses tab below. For more details, you can add a memo or split the transaction as needed. Ready to give it a shot?
Yeah guys, this is how you can use Copilot in your desktop to get help with your day-to-day works on any application on your Windows. So with that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.